We'll guide you through how to fix the AirPods case not charging. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because if you can't charge your AirPod case, you can't then go and charge your AirPods. So let's get started. So what should happen is when you go and plug your AirPods in, is you should go and see a glowing light like so, orange, and that shows it's charging. So if you aren't seeing that, let's get started. What we're first of all going to try doing is performing a reset in case there's some type of glitch. So what you want to do is just go and open up your AirPods like so, have them both in there, double tap on the light, double tap again, and you should go and hear 3 beeps and it'll start flashing orange, meaning it's starting to reset. When it's finished, it'll be white. And then what you can try doing is charging it again, just like so. Hopefully now it starts charging. If it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is looking in the port itself. Make sure there's no dust or debris in there which could prevent it from charging. If you put these in your pocket, small bits of fabric and other things can get in there. So with a soft brush, you can clear it out or you can try blowing. After you've tried cleaning it out very carefully, try plugging it in again and see if it will then charge. If it does, then great. However, if it still doesn't, then what you should try doing is using a different cable, ideally use an official Apple one if you've got one, and you can try using a different adapter which goes into the wall, or you could try charging it off your computer, as that can sometimes go and solve the problem. So hopefully the help of this video has gone and fixed it.